I'm creating a game engine like Unity or Unreal from scratch to then create a game and publish it on Steam. In the meantime, I'm uploading videos of my progress with the engine. In January, I went on vacation with my friends to Brazil, and on the third day, I fractured my collarbone, so there was zero progress. In February, unfortunately, I have a real job to support myself. We were working on a robot that collects and shoots balls to compete in the first tech challenge, and luckily, we qualified for competition in Mexico. Therefore, there was zero progress during February. During March and April, I focused on creating the engine's graphical interface. I started by creating the transform 2D components, which give size and position to 2D elements, and a renderable texture component that renders a texture using the size and position of the transform 2D. This allows me to have these textures and change their position here, or their size like this, and like this. Furthermore, when a texture is a child of another texture, it is always rendered on top and uses its parent size as boundaries. This means that if the parent changes size or position, the child texture will automatically change as well. I also created the renderable text component to render text and added text alignment options so it fits from here to here to here, font types like this, or this, and colors like this, or this using the color component. I also created the button event callbacks component to execute specified events when the cursor enters, leaves, is pressed, or is released from the 2D element. On the other hand, I created the grid 2D component to create an imaginary grid and easily place 2D elements within the grid cells using the grid child component like this, and like this. And if the grid size exceeds the limit, these scroll bars are created to explore the hidden grid elements. It sounds simple enough, but it involves hundreds or thousands of lines of code and many iterations. I hope you enjoyed it. All support is appreciated. Feel free to comment, share, like, and subscribe. If you're interested in following the project more closely, you can join the Discord server. The link is in the description or on the link tree. Next goal, implementing a networking system to connect Steam users, create online games, servers, and all that.